June the 15th, 2017. Time to wrap up another trading day here at CNFT with our usual disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Hey, we had a pretty good day today. Second day in a row, gold's been our best performer. We had to work some magic in crude oil. In fact, we had more trades off the Renko chart than we did off the time chart, because we were dealing with like 30 ticks, 35 ticks worth of volatility. There just wasn't a lot there. The Renko can get you better trade location. We also were able to catch a trade late in crude at 49. We had a 49 to 54 recommended sell. You could have gotten 51s, left a little money on the table. We covered it at 39. And that's the way we ended up today. So we had a good day, and hopefully some of y'all got to participate in. Okay, starting out this morning in the E-mini, we were hoping to buy 10s to 12s. We quickly raised our support to 15 to 17 for buy one. We had a 21 to 24 sell, and you can see that the sell gave us 2 trades, and then our buy at 15 to 17 gave us 1 trade down here, and the market's been slowly notching its way higher ever since. So again, we do know where support and resistance are, and we like to lean against those right out of the chute in the morning and see if we can take out the opposite side of the market. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it based on the F1 screen. I think I'm going to do it this way. We'll use that. On the F2 screen, a P put in backwards. That's short covering. And right now the market is pointed higher, so probably the cleanest break up here is in our 35 area. Definitely at 42.44. So if the market were to close right here, we'll be trying to sell the 30, 32 area, and 35, 37. On the buy side, 24, 26, and 19 to 21 for buy 2. Kind of straddling market numbers when you look at it right there. Bias looks a little higher right now, and don't think that anything has changed fundamentally. The issue is how strong is the second quarter GDP, and right now it looks like it could use a little help. Now, government statistics are notoriously bad over the summer. They tend to show an economy softer than it actually is, and a lot of that's just the automobile turnaround. People are on vacation. They don't make big commitments one way or the other. And that could be the case this summer. Inside day, trading range market for the 10-year tomorrow. B, looking for a place to sell it. Tomorrow we have starts and permits. So starts 1.22 M. Permits 1.25. Consumer sentiment 97.1. And Baker Hughes. Focus will be starts and consumer sentiment, direction of the E-mini. So based on the close right here at 26.21, we're selling 23s, 27s, sell 1. 31.03, sell 2. We had a 20 to 24 buy this morning. It did produce a winning trade. I think we had 24. We had a 27 to 31 sell and a 20 to 24 buy. And we didn't quite get to our sell, so we caught one side of the Treasury market this morning. It's a B, maybe a little bit lower. So 16 to 20, buy 1. 9 to 13, buy 2. But hopefully you guys can see and appreciate the analytical tools and power you get by utilizing our templates as to where support and resistance are and whether you should be long or short. First trade out of the morning. Shoot. This should be fun. It should not be an angst-filled endeavor. Now, why are you anxious when you first start out in trading? You don't know what you're doing. And it's really hard not to be anxious when you don't know what you're doing. But let us take some of that away from you. Number 1, 20 to 24, 27.31, sell 1. 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 8 to 12, number 1. We actually caught both sides of the bond. We had a 20-24 and 4 to 8 this morning, so we did our job. 1 to 5, buy 1. And 25-29, buy 2. Okay, that last trade that we took in crude, the 49 to 54 sell, it's a trade that had potential. I didn't know if it would work or if it would not work. And you never know putting these trades on. But what you have to do as a trader is say, this looks reasonable, and I'm going to give it a shot and see what happens. And if you can approach trading with that attitude, it makes it easier to do. Why short? Everything behind this is a B. Had to be more. We could be more aggressive on the short side. We've got a potential move out of the middle here. If I put all this back in and go C, definitely a B. So as things stand right now, 50 to 75, sell 1. 45 to 25, sell 2. The buy side, we're going to go like we were this morning, 44 even, 44 and a quarter, buy 1. And then we're going to do 43.50, 43.75. Let them get stops below 43.47 for buy 2. Looking at gold. Still trying to sell. So I think that's a reasonable split. We'll pull T right back into it like that. A potential move out of the middle. Find a place to sell it based on that screen. On the F2 screen, I'm out of sequence right here, so I'm going to the wrong charts. Didn't have a lot to work with today, so it's a P put in backwards, so short covering. You see right here we're in this high volume area. So Sell 57s to 60s, sell 1. 63, 65, sell 2. On the buy side, 50, 53, buy 1. And 45, 47, buy 2. And to the euro, this is the September contract. Still messed up. Got a stray dog there. Lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. I like the sound of that. That's what's wrong. I didn't change it. Thought I had. So I started out changing it last night, so we'll get a redo on that. Lower high, lower low. And looking at our F2 screen. So buyers, we had an 1191.12 this morning. We did get down to 1190. We were hoping to sell, I think, 25s to 35s. Yeah, 25s to 35s. So we caught one edge of this market too. So it's a rare day that we don't catch at least one side of the market. So 2115, 1225, sell 1. 40 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, let's make it 80 to 90, buy 1. And then 60 to 70, buy 2. And that's it for this June the 15th, 2017. I will see you bright and early in the morning. I think we got 97 officially forecast this afternoon with big storms all around us. Hopefully we'll get some moisture, not in the form of hail. And tomorrow I think it's supposed to be 100 tomorrow and Saturday. So summer has arrived. I'll see y'all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.